Hello guys, welcome to another fresh video. In this video, I will show you how to make outstanding AI videos with Haiper AI. Haiper AI is right now one of the best AI video generator as compared to Sora AI or Leonardo AI. So let's start with signing in. At first go to the sign up and register. So this is the main dashboard of this AI web tool. You can explore unlimited of AI videos in the dashboard which are created by other users. You can check them, also you can download them with the prompt, which is really great option for this text to video tool. So now I am gonna create a new video with a new prompt, so let's create new AI video with Haiper AI. So let's say I type like, a young man riding a super style bike in a mountains road. Also I am gonna add some more things like, realistic, cinematic, fork, nature color. Now there's more option here to choose, like you can generate 2-second or 4-second. I am gonna choose 4-second. You can also choose the aspect ratio, so I select 16.9 for YouTube videos. Now just hit generate. And wait for few seconds. And there you go, our video is ready. It took few seconds now to create this amazing text to video. And the result is pretty much cool. You can see the detail of the video, color is really great, there is a cinematic vibe in the video. So now let's generate another one. Now I am gonna try something different like, Aaron kills a huge giant and stands on top of a monster. Cinematic, drama, fantasy. So let's try this one, as well as, choose the settings and hit generate. And wait few seconds. Here we go, our video is ready. This is looking really wonderful. As you can see guys, I just hit a prompt like Aaron kills a huge giant and stands on top of a monster, cinematic, drama, fantasy. And this the ultimate result, which is really great. All you have to do is type the prompt, and you will get you videos in seconds. Which is kind of unimaginable in 5 years ago. Let's try another one. Now I will type something simple, like, a man in a meditation on mountains, cinematic, colorful, 4K, cinematic, fantasy. Let's see how this will work. Now hit generate and wait. There you have it, and it's looking really cool, like a man himself in a meditation on a mountains, the color of it, and the cinematic feel which is just awesome. You can download all of the videos for now for free. Haiper AI currently offering 100% free for users. Use this AI tool to create mesmerizing videos for your future projects. So use Haiper AI to create something new. We are right in an era of AI. Use it well so that you can earn money of it. Thanks you so much guys, hope to see you soon in a new video.